All right, so welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. SKOOFEE here, back with another video for you guys today. And today we have the 2K21 Kobe Bryant Special Edition. This one is dope. This is the physical copy. Now, you typically see me get it for Xbox One, but this time I got it for PlayStation 4 because I am going to get a PS5. I did get the next gen version for the Xbox, so I wasn't able to pick that one up. But once it releases, I will be able to pick that one up and I'll do a review on that one as well. Before we get on into the video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and invite your friends and family. Let's just go ahead and get on into the video.
Not that rock, that pit. How many down in my sock, can't hold my Glock.
All right, so first things first, when I went and picked it up, they gave us this Kobe Bryant jersey number retirement medallion. Now it is pretty heavy, as you can see how it is a bronze, but it's pretty heavy and it looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna keep this. I probably won't get rid of it. That's a pretty cool gift. And this is another reason why I go for the physical copy, because you get cool stuff like this. So first thing we see is by you purchasing this, you do get it for the next console as well. So that's pretty dope. The cover is awesome, I won't even lie. I like how it feels. There's the back. All right, and I think they just announced that your My Player will move over. So I'll go ahead and get this thing open. So here we go. There's the disc, and you get your, of course, your codes. There's your add-ons and all the stuff that you get. And then there's the one for the next gen console. I did notice that these covers were sold out. So I don't know if it's something that'll continue to be like that or if they just have to wait till they get more stock in, but I think there'll be more available to get. But they didn't have any extras for pre-order, so that was it. But other than that, I'm ready to play. I did play some last night, so I got to get it in, but I'm just waiting for next gen console. So if you guys want to play, I'll definitely put my gamer tag down below on Xbox or PlayStation. SKOOFEE here. Invite your friends and family. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe to the channel. And I'm out.
I get the comments with number that's period. I got your B on one put on the mirror.